exercise that I mentioned this morning, as some of you pointed out, we haven't got page 20. This booklet only goes up to page 14. And since the material is on my computer here, I can't print it off now, but I will print it for you for next week. So next week I will give you the answer sheet. Sorry? Oh, no, you might cheat. No, I'll print it off for you for next week, so you'll have it then. Right, so welcome back after lunch, and to make sure that you are not fallen asleep, we're going to do Incy Wincy again to wake you up after lunch. So if you look at page 1, and we've got Incy Wincy. Remember, we've got the actions, we've got Incy Wincy spider climbing up the spout, then down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Then out came the sun, dried up all the rain, Incy Wincy spider climbing up again. Okay? Right, so after 4, everybody got their spiders ready? That's butterfly. Spider. Okay, so after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Incy Wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy spider climbing up again. Right, and we did that this morning to think about the rhythm of English. Incy Wincy spider. Now, notice we don't say Incy Wincy spider, spider. We make that sound long to keep the rhythm. If we say spider, Incy Wincy spider climbing up, the rhythm has gone. So we need to make that sound long, stretch the sound to keep the rhythm. Incy Wincy spider climbing up the spout. Wait. And then at the end of the line, we need to wait to keep the rhythm regular. Let's do it again. After 4, do you want to do the spiders? Yeah, let's do the spiders. Have your spiders ready again. Okay, after 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Incy Wincy spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Incy Wincy spider climbing up again. Right, so we've got very strong, regular rhythm in what we say. There's always a rhythm in English. It's there in everything we say. There's always a rhythm in English. We looked at the strong sounds, but now we're going to look at some of the weak sounds. And we'll go back to the presentation here. So now we're going to move on to the weakness of English. Look at this short sentence. But we don't say some of us are at school. The 2 strong sounds are some, school, some, school. The other sounds are all some of us are at school. Not of. Not are, not at, of us are at, Okay, let's start again. Think of the seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Okay? In Thailand now, we're just coming to summer. Okay? So, summer. Summer. Some of. Some of us. Some of us are. Some of us are at. Some of us are at school. Okay, that's good, clear English. Some of us are at school is not good, clear English. Some of us are at school. Good. What about this one? There was a doctor at the corner of the street. Is not good English. Where are the strong sounds? Let's find the strong sounds first. Where are the strong sounds in this sentence? Well, doctor, that's two sounds. Is it doctor or doctor? Doc, so doc is strong. Next strong sound? Core, good. Not corner, but corner, corner. So it's core. So we've got doc, core, street. Okay, we've got the three main strong sounds. Doc, core, street. Everything else is There was a doctor at the corner of the street. There was a doctor. There was a doctor at the corner. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. Ah, you've gone back to there was. Now, in the classroom situation, if you're trying to do this with a class of children, try working from the end and go backwards. From here and go backwards. Don't start at the beginning. You remember what I said this morning? When we are teaching, we should start with what they know and introduce what they don't know. So start with something that's easy. Street. Street. They can all say street. So we'll do it that same way. Street. Street. The street. The street. Of the street. Of the street. Corner. Corner. Corner of the street. Corner of the street. Now already we've got the rhythm starting. Corner of the street. Corner of the street. Corner of, not of, corner of, corner of. Okay. Corner of the street. Corner of the street. The corner of the street. The corner of the street. At the corner of the street. A doctor. A doctor. A doctor at the corner of the street. A doctor at the corner. Ah! Somebody said at. A doctor at. A doctor at the corner of the street. Now, these words, we don't say there was a. There was a. There was a. The word T-H-E-R-E. Here, this word, we say the same as this word. This word is the same as this word, the same sound. When T-H-E-R-E refers to a place, it's a strong sound. Where is my red pen? Oh, there. It's important for communication. It's a strong sound. Oh, there it is. But with T-H-E-R-E-W-A-S, it's just grammar. It's saying me. Me, what's doctor? Me more. Me more. All right, more. Okay. It's only grammar. It's not important for communication. So we don't need to say there. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. That's not bad. It's not bad. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. You have done that in 5 minutes. And that is very good. If you can make that progress in 5 minutes, that is good. So, again, some of us are at school. Some of us are at school. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. doctorate, corner of. Do you remember last week we looked at words where we've got an R followed by a vowel? The chair in the middle. The children are eating. Okay? Where you've got the letter R followed by a vowel, we sound the R. So it's doctorate, corner of. The doctorate, the corner of. So, once more. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. Right, let's try it with the rhythm. Listen to the rhythm and keep together. Then we have everybody finishing together. We don't have at the street. Everybody finishes together. So, there was a doctor at the corner of the street. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. There was a doctor at the corner of the street. Corner of. Right. So if you've got that rhythm, the strong and weak sounds, you will communicate clearly. Again, when little children are learning this in English-speaking countries, we need to practice with them. And we use things like incy-wincy. We use things like two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Bum, ba, 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 bum, ba, 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 bum. There's the rhythm. And it helps the children to learn strong and weak sounds. Here's another example for us to practice. Now, this nursery rhyme is very well known, very famous. Let's just make sure you are clear on some of these words. How do we say this word? So, not Jack and Jill, Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill. Right. Went up the hill. Good. To fetch. To fetch a bucket of, you know bucket? Tang Nam. Come on, Tang Nam. There's me trying my tie and maybe getting it wrong. So you carry a bucket, right? A bucket of water. Remember the, oh, sorry, back. Right. Here, the ET ending, remember that the ET ending is it, not et. So we've got basket, ticket, bucket, cricket. It's ET, it, not ET, et. So, a bucket, here is a bucket of water. Fetch, do you know the verb fetch? It's a verb, again, one word, but three actions in one word. Blue pen. Now, I stand here. I want to fetch the blue pen. Where is my blue pen? There it is. I will fetch my pen. I go. I take. I return. Those three things are fetch. So maybe if there is a problem with the computer, I ask somebody, could you fetch the technician? You go, you see the technician, and you bring the technician, come back. Three things, fetch. So they go, take the water, come back. Jack fell down, this word, broke his crown. The crown is the top of your head. The top of your head. That's why the hat that a king or queen wears is called the crown. It sits on the top of your head. So, Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling. Tumbling. The verb to tumble. Do you know tumble? Right. If, okay, there is a step here. Okay? Now, if I walk and I don't look, I fall. But if I do that on the stairs, I fall, and again, and again, and again, and again. That is tumble. Fall, one action. Tumble, many times. So, we've got these two people go up the hill to get the water. They come back down. Jack falls over. And then Jill, bum, 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 bum. Right? This is when tup. When tup. This word, t. T. Bucket of. Bucket of. Bucket of. And then here, to keep the rhythm, we have to make the first part long. Water. Not water. Water.